Okay, we're entering the freeway and it's snowing, slippery conditions. The speed limit says 16 to the turn, but
30.
yes, you can do about 50.
50,
Yeah. Remember, you have to respect the road conditions. Now we're just about alongside the freeway, and of course getting onto the freeway you should be doing 100, but no way. Right now 80 is fine, so pick it up gently, don't suddenly accelerate, otherwise you spin out and smash up. Okay, keep building the speed up. You're at 70 right now, so 80 would be good enough. Now if you look ahead, you have the overhead sign, and it means exiting, but we're not exiting, we're going straight, so signal to the left. Wow, don't touch the gas pedal or else we're dead, because I can feel the car sliding. Now we get onto the lane. Okay, we're doing 70, keep that speed, no faster. Back off the accelerator and do not attempt to touch the brake pedal. Just keep your hands extremely steady, look ahead and keep your distance. And make sure, get off the gas, just let the car roll. Make sure in winter you have proper tires on your car, good tires. Preferably snow tires. Now I have never used snow tires all these years.
Yeah.
Because if you can handle the car, you won't lose control.
That's right. And some people waste like money on that.